We have recently launched a B2B commerce and open source solution that brings advanced B2B features to the e-commerce platform. Let's take a look at our first feature, company registration. To begin, click on this icon. It shows two options, sign in and sign up. If you are already registered, go to the sign in page. If not, click on the sign up button. Fill in the required details and click on the register button. A message will appear saying that the account has been created successfully. If you are a new customer, you can also create your account by clicking on the Create Your Account button from here as well. Enter your username and password to log in, then click on the Sign In button. After logging in, your dashboard will appear like this. By clicking on Profile, you can view your profile page. You can delete your profile by clicking on the Delete Profile button if it's no longer needed. You can also edit your details by clicking on the Edit button. From the Admin panel, go to Customers, then click on Companies. The company details will appear here as well. You can edit or delete them if they're no longer needed. By clicking on Create Company, you can also create a new company. That's it for this feature. Thank you.